Now let's talk about the difference between the business intelligence and the business analytics. So let's say we have a business intelligence definition already seen in the lecture 1, right? So let's say that definition holds true and that complete thing, that definition is our business intelligence. So what was the definition? It was using a raw data, then converting into something useful that can be used in better decision making and predicting the customer behavior in future, right? So overall definition comes into business intelligence. Now what about business analytics? So there are two parts to it. So in the second leg we also saw that there is a forecasting or the predictive analysis that can be done over the data, right? So that leg of business intelligence holds the business analytics. And hence the difference between the two is that business intelligence is termed as a descriptive analysis while business intelligence is termed as a predictive one. Now we can say the BI is using past and the current data to inform the current decision for the current success of the company, while business analytics, it uses the past as well as the current data to predict the current as well as the future information.